What size is that? What size is that wheel? 40?
Yeah, so normally you don't see me go out for that. We had one of the guys that worked here, he wanted to go out, and then somebody else that was from over in Capital, they wanted to go out, so.
Video 3 on
Ready to go out.
Thursday, April 11th, 2024. I'm on the Wharf.
I've got out once, but I mean, not go out.
Not killing them, not killing them.
No, just get out there.
Right on. Man, it's
That's a
nice
40-inch wheel.
It's beautiful. It's nice out here.
Just getting ready to go on my ride.
40-inch wheel weight.
I started up at that. Gotta get warmed up. I'll stop by on the way back.
I hope that road's good. Did that road good?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, Alan. Gary, you don't want that.
I keep going back and forth. I'm a back and forth yo-yo. Hey, Chris. Haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah. How you been, Jerry?
Yeah, good. Are you still for the city or no?
Yep.
I haven't seen you with the city either for a while.
No,
Huh?
I'm just on my downtime. I'll be back May 24th.
Gotcha. I'm glad that I'm going to see you back.
Yep. I'll be back.
How's the old engine doing?
How's the what?
How's that old engine doing?
Which one?
That one, that one.
Tuning them up.
Ah, okay. How you doing, Jason? Good to see you, Jason.
Say good to see you, Jason. Good to see you, Jerry.
I'm shocked that you don't want those cans.
I know, they shut down on me again.
Oh, no shit.
They keep want them, don't want them, want them, don't want them, want them, don't want them. First they want them, and then I'm all set, and then I have to break the bad news to your partner there. And,
Yep.
I can't win in this life, Chris.
Nobody can.
Right.
Not nowadays.
Exactly.
You just have a good day, Jerry.
You too.
We're trying.
You have a good day.
All right, my friend. Be safe out there, Jerry.
I'll be safe, Chris.
All right. Better be. That's all I'm gonna say. You better be.
I look a little skinnier to you now, huh?
A little bit.
I'm working on it.
It's about
Since I
10
got
pounds
no
lighter.
more motor anymore, look.
I know. You look about 10 pounds lighter.
Thank you, because I got no motors anymore. Only one of that new e-bike that I got in November that you saw.
Yeah.
But other than that, both bikes, so the red one, this one has no more. They quit. Boom.
That's it.
So I don't quit.
Ain't that right, Jerry? Right here.
I had those motor on for 4.5 years, and it went poop. But I'm glad I overbeat it.
Fucking A.
How's your wife doing?
She's doing really good. She doesn't work at that place anymore.
Really?
She got a job with Ford.
Wow.
Yep. So now she's big time.
Wow. I'm glad to hear that.
That's
Chris.
my sugar mama.
There you go. And they use the sugar daddy.
Nope, I got the sugar
Oh, okay.
mama. No
sorry.
sugar daddy here. Just
All
sugar mama.
right. I'm kidding.
It's all good.
Right on. It's all good.
It's all good, Jerry.
So where's the Ford place at?
By Whaler's Car Wash on Soquel.
Is that farther than I normally go?
Probably. Probably.
You mean so it's in SoCal or?
Well, no, you know where the Whaler's Car Wash is? By Jeffrey's Restaurant?
Oh, that's over here.
Yeah.
That's closer. Hey, so that's closer. But that's even closer.
Is it closer?
Uh-huh.
Well, there you go. Yeah, but you won't be able to see her because she's in the service department. It's not
Oh.
like the other place.
You can't just go and say, hey.
No, it's not like it used to be.
Oh, okay. Thank you for the warning. I don't want to get. I wouldn't want to get.
You don't want to get her in trouble.
No, or get myself in trouble.
All right.
You too, my dear buddy. You too. I hope they do some with the dolphin. It's like a dead track out there now.
I don't know what they're gonna do. They might even just level it.
Right, like down, be gone. Howdy.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing good.